Be ready? Start. Madam Chairman, I rise to support the railway budget stop. At the outset, the Honorable Minister has presenting a socio-economic development oriented budget for the first time by giving concessional and free journey facility by rail to war concessional and police widows, disabled and industrial workers awarded for productivity and technological innovation stop. This will certainly boost the morale of workers for increasing productivity stop stanza. I am not happy at the second class fare increase stop. Due to financial constraints, the Honorable Minister has been forced to increase the second class rail fare stop. The second class rail fare should not have been spared of this increase in second class fare stop stanza. The Honorable Minister has announced several measures to modernize and improve the working of the railways stop. The railways are the lifeline of the nation stop. Therefore, the railways in India really need upgradation and modernization stop. We are lagging behind in modern rail facilities when compared to the advanced countries stop. I am glad that the Honorable Minister had laid emphasis of the modernization of the railways stop. Adequate funds should be provided to implement modernization programs stop. The Indian Railways have made distinct improvements during the first 3 years of the seventh plan stop. The Honorable Minister deserves congratulations for this, but many more works are yet to be undertaken, and I hope with the efficiency and dedication of the ministry as well as with the dynamic minister, the Indian Railways will make further improvements in the remaining years of the seventh plan stop stanza. Sir, I thank the Honorable Minister for exempting goods and rate hike in respect of certain commodities like fertilizers, food grains, fodder, livestock, pulses, edible oil, etc. stop. These are the essential commodities of common use stop. So this exemption will provide a great relief to the common man stop. Large parts of the country faced an unprecedented drought during 1987 stop. The railways ensured massive movement of diesel, food grains and edible oils to the drought affected areas stop. The track restoration work in the northeastern parts of the country after the flood was also commendable stop. Despite all these hurdles, the freight performance of the railways has surpassed the annual targets stop. The credit goes to the employers and workers of the railways for these performance stop. I thank the Honorable Railway Minister for performing such a challenging task in an extremely efficient and commendable way. Stop.